Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Panzoid clipmaker and loading the Only Way template. This gets you into the workspace instantly. Once loaded, make a quick backup of the project file so you can revert if needed. Now replace the default logo and text placeholders with your own PNG or SVG assets, and make sure file dimensions roughly match the originals so layout stays consistent. This prevents scaling glitches later. You'll focus on the middle, more detailed work. Open the timeline and select the layers you want to tweak. Change keyframes to adjust timing and modify easing curves to make motion feel natural. Smooth easing beats linear movement. Once done, sync animations to your audio by nudging keyframes and adjusting durations. Also edit camera moves, position, zoom, and rotation, so your logo and text hit on strong beats and read cleanly throughout the intro. You finish by previewing the intro at full resolution to catch clipping or aliasing before export. Previewing avoids wasted renders. Then choose the proper codec and resolution, match your target platform's presets, and render a short test clip. If things go wrong, check file paths for missing textures, verify sample rates to fix audio drift, and re-export only the problematic layers if needed. This saves time versus re-rendering the entire timeline.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.